It's not a weakness to hold two truths in your body at once, it's emotional capacity. You can love someone and need distance. You can be healing and still have hard days. You can be kind and enforce your boundary. Cognitive dissonance creates stress when we believe two things can't coexist, but the brain becomes more resilient when we build tolerance for complexity. This is called dialectical integration, holding tension without needing to collapse one truth to feel safe. You are not broken for feeling conflicted. You are not failing for feeling tired. You are not disloyal for seeing both pain and love in your past. Say it with me. I can hold both. I am safe in the and. What's one thing that's true for you and its opposite at the same time? Drop it below. Make room for the and. Follow for more nervous system truth, trauma clarity, and emotional nuance. Head over to patreon.com/NeuroNor to vote on the topic we cover next. And if our work helps, back the research and time through our Patreon tip jar.